Zoom workflows help organizations automate or augment manual tasks, leveraging data from within Zoom meetings, docs, chats, and tasks, with more products coming soon. Users can create personal workflows to automate routine work across third-party applications as well, which helps streamline repetitive, multi-step tasks by connecting to key third-party applications like Salesforce, ServiceNow, and Workday, reducing manual effort and saving time. Zoom makes it easy to get started with templates to streamline the ideation and creation process. Let's get started with a daily reflection of our activity from all meetings and documents from the day. In this template, the trigger is a custom schedule. Every weekday at 9 a.m., the workflow will review all of my attended meetings as well as all of my docs I wrote in today, and will then use this AI-generated prompt as a personal reflection assistant and generate a structured reflection in a document. I can simply modify the expected output by adjusting the prompt. The structure of the workflow presented on the canvas can also be adjusted. The user can edit manually by simply editing the nodes or by adding additional nodes. Or Zoom makes workflows easy for non-technical users by providing a simple-to-use conversational user experience. Let's modify this flow by adding a prompt. When the doc is completed, I want to be notified by sending me a chat message in a group channel titled Paxton AI Assistant. When finished with edits, we can save and then run the workflow. It's easy to follow along with the flow as it's running. Each of the completed triggers and nodes in green are complete, and the active node that is running currently is in blue. If there are any errors or problems, the node will turn red and give you direction where you can continue to use natural language with AI to troubleshoot. In addition to templates, we can also start with a blank canvas to create our own flow by selecting the appropriate workflow trigger and nodes, or by leveraging natural language. For example, let's create a workflow for somebody that works in sales. Every week on Monday at 7 a.m., we want to summarize all of our open opportunities that are contained within our CRM, in this case Salesforce, that are forecasted over the next 30 days. I want the system to provide a list of all opportunities and an open action item list inside of a new Zoom doc that we're going to create. Now let's modify the workflow with a follow-up request. In this case, the prompt will ask AI Companion to add the ability to use the company name and the ability to use web search to go out and research information about the company. Information such as news or earnings reports or any executive staff transitions, and include that in the document as well. We also want to be notified with a Zoom Team Chat message after the doc has been created. Now, this is just one example. The opportunities are endless. Take an inventory of what you do on a day-in, day-out basis. Where is there friction in your work? Things that you have to do but maybe don't like to do. Things you do sometimes and with varying quality or consistency in the output. Zoom AI workflows give you an opportunity to automate this work and help remove manual tasks that you do or should be doing on a regular basis. Some other sales examples for workflows could be researching a prospect or a customer on a regular basis to stay on top of all the latest information, or knowing exactly what's going on with your competitor by having the system automatically track blogs or articles or websites. Customer service or success teams can stay on top of renewals, finding accounts that are coming up for renewal in the future and create strategic, detailed communications with account activity and usage data automatically. Product and project teams can eliminate uncertainty by providing a weekly status report on all open action items from meetings and documents they're actively working on inside of a project. And one of my favorites for marketing and product teams is to be able to extract out customer feedback and use cases, win stories, and feature requests every week using every external facing customer meeting that I have. And to be able to provide those updates automatically to the team that needs it to be able to make changes to our offering. Instead of spending time doing all of these things, you can spend the time perfecting them and executing a more thorough follow-through. AI workflows are not just about saving time. It's about improving the quality and the consistency of your work. Zoom AI workflows help you to do things you either don't do or can't get to in your business, ultimately helping to create greater consistency and predictability.